This is the story of a boy who played in the mud, loved wheels, and dreamed of touching the sky. The year was 1906, a small village named Komyo, Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. Here was born Soichiro Honda. His father was a blacksmith who ran a small bicycle repair shop. Honda often skipped school to play with the bicycles in his father's workshop. His hands were covered in grease, but his eyes held the dream of engineering. Leaving school to chase a dream. Soichiro left school after 8th grade. At 15, he started working in an auto workshop in Tokyo. He had no money, but an intense desire to learn. He would polish engine pistons, fix clutches, adjust brake lines. People laughed at him. This boy will never be a mechanic. But Soichiro was an engineer at heart, and fate was training him. First failure and the shock of war. In 1937, he started his first company, Tokai Seiki, which made piston rings. His dream was to sell piston rings to Toyota, but his first factory failed. Toyota said, "These are defective." Then, in 1944, during World War II, his factory was destroyed in bombings. Nothing was left except his spirit. In 1946, after the war left Japan in ruins, Soichiro began experimenting with bicycles powered by small engines. He attached an engine to a bicycle, turning it into a motorbike. In 1948, Honda Motor Company was founded. Their first product was the Honda Dream D-Type. For the first time, people saw a motorcycle affordable to the common man. It was not just transportation, it was Japan's new hope. Cars, F1, and global expansion. By 1959, Honda became the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer. But Honda didn't stop at bikes. They wanted to build cars. In 1963, they launched the S500 sports car, and success poured in. In 1964, Honda entered Formula One racing. People laughed. Japanese in F1? But soon Honda began winning races. Honda's identity became accept the challenge and conquer. Innovation, growth, and challenges. In the 1970s, Honda expanded worldwide. Cars like the Civic and Accord won hearts in the US and Europe. During the oil crisis, Honda's affordable and fuel-efficient cars became favorites. But every journey faces hurdles. In the 1980s, some models failed. US safety regulations tightened, but Honda invested in AI, robotics, and fuel cells. This era saw the birth of a Simo, the world's first humanoid robot created by Honda. Soichiro Honda's passing, but his vision lives. In 1991, Soichiro Honda passed away, but only physically. His vision still lives. Every Honda car, every engine, every machine carries a piece of his dream. His life teaches us failure is not the end, giving up is the real defeat. 2000 to 2025, the electric era. In the 2000s, Honda introduced hybrid cars. Models like Insight, CR-Z, and Clarity opened new paths. They returned to F1, integrated AI technologies, and by 2025, Honda leads in electric, hydrogen, and autonomous vehicles. Honda's 2025 vision is zero emissions, AI-powered driving and mobility for all. A boy, a dream, a world. Today, if a child loves playing with wheels, maybe tomorrow that child becomes the next Soichiro Honda. Because dreams are neither Japanese nor Pakistani. They belong only to those who make them real.